Right, just getting set up for my day 2 cutting. There's the ducklings. Oh, yeah, see that one under? Look, they're all sitting on top of him. He ain't too good. He's still alive, but barely. I don't know. Yeah, I think he's going to be dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, he must have been another new one, because I think I had 7 the other day. So, no, well, that's part of life. It's all about statistics and numbers. He's trying to wake up, but I don't know. How do you revive a duckling? Who knows? Well, this bastard won't start. I've pulled it a million times. I'm sweating like a pig and it won't start. So it looks like carburettor overhaul cleanup. So probably won't get any weeds cut today because of tool malfunctions. Probably needs new oil as well, but I ain't got no new oil. Problem with being out in the village, everything's not quite as accessible as you want it to be. I could probably go down a shop and get some new oil, but I can't be asked right at the moment because I'm getting a bit fed up with it. Anyway, that's probably today's video. Short and sweet. One good thing is I always bring a bunch of tools down here with me just in case this sort of shit goes on, because machinery is machinery after all. And I don't have a spare set of sockets and stuff like that down here. They just come with me. The thing that cheesed me off a little bit is the other day I was cleaning my workbench, and I remember a while ago I bought a little carby cleaning set with little brushes and files and stuff in it, and new gaskets. But I bought that all for the wood chipper actually, but probably would have been handy to have here for this. We'll see what it's like. I've cleaned the spark plug. I have I don't know, it could be old fuel. It's probably oil, I think. We'll see. Bit of dirt and shit in there. And that's to be expected. It does a fair bit of cutting. Let's see how we go. Right, I need probably the one tool I don't have. I've got a Phillips screwdriver, but I do not have, I don't think I have a bloody well standard screwdriver here at all. Oh, something bloody you need. That is the frustrating thing about this shit. It pisses me off somewhat. Ah dear. Dear. Test my patience, this stuff does. Okay. Note to self. Put a standard screwdriver in your toolkit. What if I could manufacture that into one? Huh, look at that. Termites had a go at the little trail handle. I didn't notice that before. Termites or something. I don't even think that's termites. Huh. Little bastards. It's another thing I've got to go around and check the house again here. The termites, because we've had a bit of rain, it brings them out. So you can see sort of up these corners. I cleared all that last time, so it looks like maybe there's some more activity there. Buggers. How annoying. How flipping annoying. Nothing worse than sweating for nothing. wonder if my Bluetooth headset's connected or not. I have absolutely no idea. Some mechanics scream at me for doing this, but sometimes when you're in the bush, one has to do what one has to do. Listen to me breathing. Sounds worse than you got earphones in or earplugs. Okay, that is definitely got a little bit of dirt around it. This is actually the second carby this machine's had. You can just buy them for about $1. I think the last one cost me about $1. Was it $1? Oh no, it might have been a bit more than that. Might have been $10 actually, I can't bloody remember now. Anyway, but you know, there's a little bit of dirt down there. I haven't got nothing to blow that out with though. So I'm gonna have to put it back in there and I don't know, maybe if I just twiddle around with it. Sometimes when you just touch things, pull them out, put them back in, sometimes they work good. Sometimes. There's no science to it. There you go, saved myself a trip to get a screwdriver. Now this probably has an adjustment because it's got a spring. I'm sure you adjust it in and out. I wouldn't have a clue what that is. Maybe somebody can tell me. I could probably Google it. But for now I'm just going to do it up. I mean, I could Google it, but sometimes people can give you feedback, which can be, well, that's up tight, and then I'm going to, hang on. Oh no, I'll get it up tight and then I'm going to back off 2.5. Somehow that number just popped into my head. Oh shit, it's not up full. Actually, you know what? It looked like it was sort of backed out flush to the... a little bit flush to the surface, so we'll give that a crack. Just give it about there, see what happens. I would like to pull the bowl off and all that and give the whole thing a clean out, but I just haven't got the cleaner in it with me, the compressor and that. So I may do that, and then the day I might take the carburettor home with me. If I get it going now, it'd be good, because then I can do what I fucking came down to do. Right, put it out together and see what happens. So it seems that the one thing that I might need, and I don't have to make adjustment on that needle, is a small screwdriver. So I'm going to have to shoot home and get one. So I've just got to pull the gate closed a little bit, just so it's not like an invitation to some idiot wants to come and steal shit. Okay, so here we go. I don't even know if it's still connected to the headphones, but I'll keep talking just to try them out. Good morning! Oh, look at this little funny little animal here. Hello. She's just sitting there by herself. This is kind of turning into a different video, isn't it? Yeah, I need a screwdriver. Oh, I have to fix the machine, it won't start. Bloody thing. It's a pain in the ass. Yeah. Just won't start, so I have to look at fixing the carburettor. Now, I know I have a little set here. Oh, here it is. Now, how do I know that's the one that I want? Because I wrote on it. Right, that's coming with me. I think that's all I need. Oh, Ree, can you give me an old toothbrush, please? Or do I have any out here? I don't think I have any out here. Well, I might take that carby cleaner down with me. That might be the go. Where's my little nozzle thing? There it is. Thank you. These are really handy for cleaning shit, small stuff. So I'll always keep the old toothbrushes. Right, let's get back down there. We may not get any grass cutting today, but we might get the grass cutter fixed, maybe. Oi! Oi! Where's your Yaya? Oi! Oh. Right, I'm gonna have to go up there and fix her because Yaya's not here. Hang on. That means I've got to take my boots off. Hey. Hey. Come on. Come on. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Whee! There you go. Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. You leave her alone too long.
Sleep. When she sleep, I go hang the clothes, and I get up. She already awake.
She don't know to laugh or cry. I'm crying. I sweat more just trying to start the machine. What do you think about that duck?
Yeah, that one. Run.
Yeah, like but it's moving. It's still moving.
Yes.
Little bit, but I think nearly dead.
Yes.
What do you want me to do?
Let's throw away or dig the dirt and put on the dirt from Siam.
But it's not dead yet.
Yes, after
when it stops moving. All the other ones, they move away from him. Like when I go in there, they all go together over there, and then I move it a little bit, and then after when I put everything back down, they all come back and play.
Yeah, then he just get from mother about 3 this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
You not count how many?
Well, there's 7 plus that one is 8, but there was 7 yesterday. When I get those ones the other day.
Yeah, he put last night. He put afternoon or evening when he come back.
He takes some out.
No, yeah, from my mother.
She off the eggs this morning.
How many now?
Well, only, what, they're 8.
Yeah.
It should be more. I know, yeah. I thought there was 6 or 7 the other day.
Yeah, 7 are dead or 1, you know.
Yeah, only 1.
6, 7, 8 now.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the dead one.
With the dead one, yeah. Or the dying one, yeah. Yeah. But I look in her, she off the eggs. I look in there, I can't see any moving in there or anything, so. Yeah. All right.
You have water with you?
I do.
You have snack with you?
Huh? Have what?
Snack?
No, I don't have any snack.
You want?
Yeah, give me a bag of those things. You okay for that? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The music stopped.
Not see people see Thai.
Huh?
Not see people see Thai.
Who? Oh.
When I walk in the kitchen.
Oh, you take it for a walk, did you?
No.
Oh.
Try before.
Oh.
I walk in the kitchen.
Right.
What I do, I have
And she fall over too. She gets upset when she falls over. You know, she on her too long. She gets upset.
yeah, not long. I just walk and you.
Yeah. Ah, I have to put some bloody music on. I wonder if the Bluetooth speaker is charged. Probably not. Right, I might take that thing out again and give that a blowout with the carby cleaner. Or adjust that screw first and see what happens. I'm going to tighten that right down. Right, that's hard down. Let's give that a start and see what happens. And then I'll back it off a little bit at a time. Whew. Okay. All right. Backed it off one. That's one. Okay, that's nothing. Back it off another one. So much easier the screwdriver. The hacksaw blade was okay, but I can do all this in situ. Alright, that's another one. Ah, that's 2 turns back. And that was promising. Alright, I've decided to take this bowl off. I'm doing it without connecting the black tube for the simple reason that I can't be pulling the tube off at the moment. Although it does make it somewhat difficult. Probably what I should do is get this out. It's hard to do. I usually like to play some music while I'm working, but it's hard to play music when you're doing YouTube videos because the wankers there, they keep copywriting you. So, you know, you have to change your tunes that you're playing on your video just to some random tunes that you get for free, which aren't even, well, they're usually okay, but they're not always decent songs. So, which is a bit annoying because I like to play my music that I like. And to me, that would kind of make my videos a little bit more better to watch too. Anyway, what do you do? It's funny though, because sometimes when I do short videos in TikTok, they don't get copyrighted. And they most definitely don't get copyrighted in Facebook Reels. So I don't know what the story is. Must be some yank thing, I don't know. Right, look at this. This is pretty dirty and disgusting, so give that all a bit of a brush off there. Right, there's like a little filter thing there. You gotta be careful of, a bit of shit in there. Right. It's the problem with carburetors, they're so finicky. You gotta, doesn't matter littlest of bit of dirt, and they can lock up. Don't know what that is, but I'll blow it. Blow some shit into each of these holes. This one here. Oop. Gotta watch out I don't get some of this shit in my eyes. There's a little jet thing here. Like that. Probably get shit all over my screen too, am I? Ooh, feel that. I'm not taking that off because that is a what do you call the bloody things? Blank. Diaphragm. That's what it's called. It's called a diaphragm, so I don't want to tear it or anything like that. And sometimes when you try and take them off, they can tear. And if you tear that, it's all over Red Rover. What's that? Jinma. That's the name of this carburetor. Jinma. Didn't even know it had a name. Okay, I'll give them that a bit of a clean out. Let's have a look up here. Give this a little brush off up here. This is a gasket here. Of course it will fall off and fall on the ground. That is a thicker gasket there, and I'm not taking that off. Right, let me get that really thin gasket again. It's not the ideal environment to be doing this because there is a lot of dirt and shit around. Let's just give that a blast with that. Right, and there you go. I suppose we'll take that needle out and we'll reset that again. Give it a blowout in there as well. So how's this video going so far, guys? Is it a bit boring for you? I guess this could be like a how-to, except for one thing. I don't exactly know how to, but I know all the basics of just taking shit off and cleaning it and all that stuff. Any little holes you see that might have shit that comes through it, blow this stuff through them. Oop. Good thing I wear glasses. Whoops, no, I've got a little bit near my eye then. So now I've got to get all my gear on. Look, it's running. Let's see what happens, eh? Quick drink of water. I know my battery's going to die, so we're not going to get to the end of this video, but she'll be right. I turned into a cutting back the farm video to how to fix the bloody grass cutter video. I'm wearing gloves because when you're doing grass cutting for a while with this thing, well, it might be, I don't know, might be my body, my biology now, because it's all changed. Your your fingers end up getting all bloody numb and tingly after a while. So you kind of gotta, you know, have a bit of a rest. Like, let's see if I can clip myself on. fingers crossed, next thing will be I'll have to redo the line soon. At least one or two are broken, but that's fine. I'll get by with what I've got. I'll make it go the full distance if I can. Right, let's get through here into the jungle. Right, it's changed the line. Gotta love it. It's not one thing, it's the other. But that's fine, at least it's running all right. It's running good so far. Okay, that'll do for that video. Right, we're recording. I don't know how much of this day I've recorded and how much I haven't. Right, the day has beaten me. It's just after 12, and when you look out there, you can see the sun's come out. It's just going to be too hot. Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one. You never know what surprises are coming up. Cheers.